Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a JPG or PNG image and scale it correctly using the easy method. This is a great way to patch a picture file onto your current setup session, so all the shapes inside the photo match your real-world drawing sizes perfectly. Step 1. Attach your picture file to the drawing workspace. The first step is to use the standard placement tool to pull your picture file out of your computer's document folders and drop it onto your main background drawing canvas. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top row of tools, click once on the tab that says Insert, look down the list to find the button labeled Attach, choose your JPG or PNG file from your computer window, and click Open. Move your crosshair cursor out into the empty screen layout space, click your main mouse button once, slide your hand to stretch the box slightly, and click a second time to drop the image down. Because you could not work with a picture if it only lives inside your regular desktop folders. You have to open this attachment preference path so you can load the visual data row straight into the software memory card. Without this step, your screen workspace will stay completely empty, and you won't have any background lines to study. Step 2. Run the Alignment Matching tool. Now you need to use a key matching tool to link your photo's small reference points to your new real-world measurement lines so the system can recalculate the sizes automatically. Highlight both your picture frame line and your reference line with your mouse, type the word Align into your bottom typing row, hit your Enter key, click the first spot on your photo wall, click the matching first spot on your fresh line, then click the second spot on your photo wall, and click the matching second spot on your fresh line. Press the Enter key on your keyboard once, look closely at the question row that asks if you want to scale the objects based on your alignment points, and click the choice word Yes on your screen. Because this click explicitly commands the system engine to throw away the random layout sizes and lock onto your real-world numbers. By choosing the Yes option, you tell the computer memory card to expand or shrink the entire image database until your photo points fit your drawn line perfectly. It is the key step to getting the right output because it fixes your map layout proportions across the whole file instantly. Step 3. Verify your sizing fix with a test measurement. Move your pointer to pick up your standard DIM tool, click across the object's edges to drop a measurement label, and read the resulting numbers. Check that the digital text size number that pops up on your screen matches the actual real-world size written on the paper layout sheet layout rows. Because it proves that your picture scaling setup is completely finished and working beautifully. Now you can safely continue building your layout shapes or tracing your lines on top of the image file without any fear of making items too big or too small. Your workspace behaves predictably, and your project is perfectly safe and ready to share. And that's it. To import a JPG or PNG image and scale it correctly, you must first go to the Insert tab and click Attach to drop your JPG or PNG file onto your screen canvas rows. Next, you select both items, type Align into your bottom bar, and click your matching start and end points sequentially. Finally, you hit Enter, choose Yes to scale the drawing, and drop a test measurement to make sure your dimensions look clean and accurate. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.